What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 8th and happy Tuesday. So let's go over the trades for the day. But before we do that, let's go ahead and go over the SPY and see how that was reacting. Let's see here. So not bad, right? Today's SPY actually opened up and it's been taking off ever since then. There was some sell-off right here, but I mean, that kind of makes sense, right? This had a decent run, so people are going to take profits along the way. But eventually this kind of broke out this little flat top and took off, right? So definitely it's keeping up its gains. Let's look at the daily chart real quick and see how that looks like. So the daily chart, just to be a little bit cautious on it, just because there's 5 green candles in a row. So I am expecting a pullback. And you can see, even though the day is not over yet, the volume is light today. So definitely just be cautious if you're going to trade the SPY with options or whatnot. Other than that, let's go over my watch list that I had. So CRIS I was watching today, NURO I was watching, LXRX, CLPS I was watching. CLPS I was watching for a 4 break, which I missed. I was watching it. I just took my eyes off for a quick second and then I just missed it. I'll show you that real quick. So if we pull over CL, obviously it, died. But if we come out over here. So I was watching this 4 break right here. And let's, right here. So as you can see, it was coming up. And I was watching this 4 break for a quick scalp, just because one, there was a lot of green candles, but also it was right underneath VWAP. So my plan was, if this breaks 4 and there was a seller as well, then I know I can get at least 7, 8 cents scalp. So it actually went higher, and then it dropped. So my plan would have worked, but I just took my eyes off the stock. Anyway, so yeah, I was watching the stock. It obviously died and just failed. So other than that, I want to show you all the stocks that I traded today, which were pretty much LXRX, BB. I had 2 trades on. One I was red by 1 cent, and the other one was I got a green trade. And CGIX, LXRX. So pretty much I traded 3 stocks today. Out of all these trades I only had 1 red trade, which was on BB, and it was lost by 1 cent. So, and today I'm up $302. So definitely a good day. Let me see which ones I can show you for today. Let me show you BB. That one was a good setup, and it kind of did before, like last week, did the same thing. So I was looking for the 850 break, and when it got here, it failed, so I got out for pretty much like a cent loss, and it came back around. That's when I know this is gonna like break out, because it did the same thing last time. So I got in for the break of this and then sold on the way up around this area right here. I didn't want to hold it for any longer than that, just because I know the stock sometimes fakes me out. So I got my profit and that was it. So obviously it did well. I guess a 30-cent move from my entry. So if you caught all of that, congrats. Other than that, CGIX, I can show you. I had 2 trades on CGIX. This one was kind of like a make it or break it type of thing. So there was 2 spots that I was looking. One was around this area for the break of 339, and I sold some on the way up. And this was right here. So I got in at 340, sold at 347. So that was a good move. And then I got in again as it came back up, because I was looking also at this 350 spot. So as it came to the 350 spot, I sold some at, I sold some at 355. I sold a bit too early, but again, the stock, you never know, because this is a low flow stock. So I wanted to get out quick. But I guess I did, right? I mean, if you look at it from 350 to 375, that was it, and it came back down. So definitely I'm glad I took profits earlier. So I showed you BBB CGIX, right? LXRX. Let me see if I can show you any good. Let's see. Yeah, there's not going to be much on LXRX, I would say, because most of my money came from CGIX. But there were a few spots on LXRX that I was watching. I just didn't feel confident in it. I didn't take it, but those trades did work out. So I think, for the break of this spot right here was good. This 260 spot. I actually took this and I just scalped it. I just wasn't sure if it was going to go all the way up. So I just scalped it and obviously got out way too early because literally from that 260 spot where I got in and sold at 263 because the level 2 may have been looking weak or whatever the case is. And it went all the way to 343 or sorry, 405. So definitely a big move, but you can't catch everything, right? This could have easily went up and came back down and then went up again. So, but I'm glad with the profit I had today and I will take that home any day out the week. So hopefully you guys had a green day as well. And hopefully, and also we can keep this momentum going, for this whole week. So we definitely need that. If you look at CRIS stock, right? Look, 230 million volume, 230 million shares of volume. That's insane. And this thing literally just didn't hold. So if I just pull that up real quick, just check that out. It ran from 150 all the way to 794. That's crazy. So, yep, big move. And it's trying to come back up right now, but I'm not going to trade this. I'm done for the day. So, all right, that's it from me. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And I will see you guys tomorrow.